Welcome to day 10. This is your 30-day journey, and I hope you're feeling already excited that you have finished 10 sessions, 10 days. This is amazing, and today's practice is going to be about building strength in your back, something that we really need because we're sitting for so long. We're using devices, letting our postures be ruined for everything and anything. So let's try to put attention towards that. Okay? With that, let's get seated. I want you to just relax your body, relax your chest, relax your spine, relax your face muscles. Welcome this day with open heart, joy. Let loose of expectations. Just welcome exploration today. Let's not judge ourselves for where we are and what we're doing. And just try to be with our inner real self. Your eyes are relaxed and closed. Let your spine feel welcomed. Let your heart feel open. For today, let's try to be positive for everything that is ahead of us. Join your palms at heart center and let's chant Om sound. Inhale. Let the harmony be within me and around me. And beautiful intention for your practice and this lovely day. Gently relax your hands. I encourage you to tell yourself one thing that you're grateful for today, and let that gratitude stay with you in your heart. Yes, let's start by lying down on the spine. Shoulders are relaxed, chest is relaxed. Just open your legs with the knees bent at the edge of your mat. We drop the knees to the right. We drop the knees to the left. We drop the knees to the right. It doesn't have to reach the floor. Let your hips stay grounded. And to the left. Roll your shoulders back. Try to get your shoulder blade pushing down. So I lift my chest, roll it back. Then I try to drop it down and release. From here, bring both the knees to the chest. Stay massaging the spine left to right. Left to right. Good. Slowly take your both legs straight up and flex the feet. So pull the toes towards you. And then point the feet, let the toes go away from you. Flexing and pointing. Flexing and pointing. Flex, point, flex, and roll the ankles so you can roll the toes. And reverse the direction. That is really lovely. Slowly, from here, we're just gonna rock a little front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Slowly coming up. As you reach up, take your right arm behind and try to shift weight on the right arm and try to lift the hip, push and down. If you are here today, This is where you stay. And down. Again, lift, push your chest up, hips up as much as you can, and lower. Good. 3, and lower. 4, and lower. 5, and amazing. It's really good. Let's do the same thing with the left hand behind. You can take support by keeping your right hand on the left thigh. Push, come up, exhale down. Inhale, you can drop your head back and down if you like, or just keep it to the front. 2 more to go. And 1. Whew. Really lovely. Take your arms back. Lift up your chest, lift up your neck, and breathe. From here, watch me. You're going to take the fingertips towards your hips. Both of them, elbows pointing to the back. Bend the elbows. Let the elbows bend. And let the elbows go closer to each other as you bend them. Bend. From here, if you like, you can just slide your hips slightly more ahead to feel that stretch on the top of your shoulders. Just stay there. Enjoy. Well, you don't hesitate from giving that burden to your neck and shoulders while using your devices, right? So why are you hesitant from giving the stretch it deserves? So this stretch is pretty new for the body, so you don't have to go deep in it. Stay where you feel the mildest stretch and sustain it. Breathe. Slowly extend and push the legs back. Hips back. Stay. Now the idea is to correct our posture, right? So once you're here, you don't slouch again. Let's not go back to what we actually do. You have built up a habit for years, and it'll take years to get out of your system. So be patient, give it some time, but don't invite it. Be consciously aware. So take support if you need to lengthen and sit. From here, we turn and lie down on our stomach. Coming on our stomach. Relax your forehead down. Relax your hands down. Relax your toes down. Breathe. From here, slowly come up on your elbows. Try to drop your elbow right in line with your shoulders. Relax your fingertips. And just breathe. From here, all you have to do is press your left palm straighten and look back from your left side. You can bend the elbows a little bit if you feel even the mildest thing on your lower back. We don't want that. Release, press the right palm, look back on the right side. Slowly release, drop your head down, take your elbows back, come up on your palms and lift your head and lift your chest. And then slowly go down. So we'll just come up and go down, but I'm not straightening my hands entirely. It's just halfway up. Keep your shoulder blades rolled back and slowly down. Let's do 10 of these. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, release the hands, relax the head and breathe. Very slowly, take your hands off the floor and just lift up your chest and release. Try to see if you can lift the chest up more, keeping your back engaged, glutes engaged. The idea is to barely put any weight on the palms and use the strength of your back to do this. Keep going. We do 5 more. Last one we hold. Stay. Stay. And release. Make a pillow from your hands and rest your head down. Alright, from here, let's take the hands back. We lift the head and the chest together with the legs this time. So Shalabhasan, inhale, lift up. Engage the whole back, legs straight and down. Let's do 10 of these. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
Coordinate. Breathe with the movement. Almost there. And stay up. Hold. Holding the Shalabhasan here. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Legs straight, knees straight. And release. Good job. It was really nice. Relax your head on one side. Make a pillow from your hands. Then switch the direction of your head. Either you can keep your chin on the hands or turn the direction of your head. Few more breaths, noticing how your stomach is moving as you inhale and exhale. From here, slowly coming up, push your palms, lift your hips back, and rest into child's pose. Allow your head to relax and just breathe. No expectations, just staying here in this very present moment. Slowly coming up from here, coming back into seated, get your legs crossed, shoulders relax, sit up comfortably. Allow your eyes to close, shoulders to relax. Staying still in this very present moment. From here, we'll go for Brahmari practice where you cover your ears with your thumb and eyes with your fingertips. We'll chant M, humming B sound, just like that. Alright, let's do it together. We'll do 5 times. Inhale and begin. Very gently relax your hands. Just observe the vibrations in your body, being here in this very present moment. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly allow yourself to lie down for relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a lovely rest. Namaste.